Quick, graph y equals the cube root of the quantity x plus 3 by hand, two different ways. This is part of the Family of Functions series. You will need graph paper, or you can download this PDF and print it. Press pause as needed anytime. The first way is with what we call the Cuberoot Dance. Normally we start at the origin, but because of the plus 3 inside the function, we need to shift each point to the left 3 units. So we're going to start at the point -3, 0. From this point, we will do what we call the Cuberoot Dance. And that is write 1 up 1, because the cube root of 1 is 1. Write 8 up 2, because the cube root of 8 is 2. Left 1 down 1, the cube root of -1 is -1. And left 8 down 2, the cube root of -8 is -2. Connecting the points, we get the cube root curve, and we compare that to the parent function, and you can see from blue to green, the whole curve is shifted to the left 3 units, every single point. Second way, using a table, and we'll start off with the normal Cuberoot table. We're going to subtract 3 from each of the x coordinates because of the plus 3 inside the function. 8 minus 3 is 5, but we keep the y coordinates the same, so 5, 2 is plotted. 1 minus 3 is -2, 1. 0 minus 3 is -3, 0. -1 minus 3 is -4, -1. And -8 minus 3 is -11, -2. Connect the points, and we'll compare that to the cube root parent function. Now you try one. Graph y equals the cube root of the quantity x plus 2 using either method or both for the practice. Press pause to do this and then resume when you're finished to check. And this is the answer. The cube root function moved to the left, shifted to the left 2 units horizontally.